Imagine it's the weekend, the middle of the night. In your dream, you are relaxing on the beach. And at the same moment, your SAP system is going haywire. Production system stops working, database gets overloaded, or someone pulled the plug. Are you ready for this? Because Hicron is. Almost 100 specialists will help you operate your system, and developers with their custom solutions will make your SAP system better and better. What can you count for? See 7 examples. SAP system upgrade and S/4HANA conversion. System monitoring 24/7. Application management services. System development. Outsourcing. SAP maintenance and support. Remote SAP basis administration. And we will adapt all the solutions to your individual requirements. Not bad, huh? What makes us special? Hicron SD, an ITIL-compliant request platform. Service Delivery Executive, the masters of connecting the dots. SLA, which means high levels of quality and availability of services. 3 types of contract to choose from. A certificate confirming that we are one of the 15 companies in the world that SAP SE recommends. Worldwide support 24 hours a day, 5 or 7 days a week. Hicron, Vision Architect, Solution Maker.